people, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Palak and I make videos related to photography, fashion, lifestyle, some editing tips and tricks and so much more. So if you like watching such content, then don't forget to subscribe, and you can also hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So today I'll be creating this makeup look for Diwali. And I'll be probably uploading this a day before Diwali or on the actual day of Diwali so that you can actually get ready with me. तो अभी तो पूरा शादी season भी चल रहा है, so you can even do this makeup look if you have to attend a wedding or go to a function, anything. Also, I'm not an expert, I'm just a beginner like you, and I've learned a few tips and tricks here and there, and they really work for me. But you can definitely try these on yourself and see if they work for you as well. So let's not waste any time and let's get started. Okay, so let's start. तो कुछ भी शुरू करने से पहले I make sure कि I really clean my face like properly, because अगर कुछ भी dirt होगा ना face पे उसके बाद makeup करेंगे तो there are chances that you will get acne. तो उसके लिए I've properly washed my face and then I'll go for moisturizer. I'm using this Nivea moisturizer, and it is brand new and I've just opened it. Actually, I have dry to normal skin, so I make sure I apply lots and lots of moisturizer. एक layer तो मैंने लगा ली है, but I'll put another layer because why not? God, I forgot to tie my hair. तो सबसे पहले I'll do that and come back. तो इसके बाद you can definitely apply facial oil or soap, but अभी मैंने 2 layers लगा ली है moisturizer की, and I think that's enough. And then I'll just apply the lip balm. And with that, my skin prep is done, and we'll get to the base. So I personally start my base with a concealer. I use this LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. Actually, you can see I have intense dark circles. अगर आपके भी ऐसे डार्क सर्कल्स हैं तो it is recommended कि आप पहले कलर करेक्ट करें. Like you can use a orange colored color corrector और उसके बाद कंसीलर लगाएं. तो कलर करेक्टर क्या करता है कि अगर आप सीधा कंसीलर लगाएंगे तो ग्रेइश हो जाते हैं ना, कई बार अंडर आईज वो ग्रेइश नहीं हो. So if you use a color corrector, then it like cancels out all the darkness and make your under eyes look actually like skin like. But the concealer I use is this LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer, and it's in the shade Pure Beige, and this concealer is like cult favorite and it's like worth it. जो इसकी हाइप है ना, it's really worth it. ये बहुत अच्छा काम करता है. तो इसमें क्या है, हल्का सा ना ऑरेंज टोन है, तो उस ऑरेंज टोन की वजह से आई नीड नॉट टू यूज द कलर करेक्टर. तो सीधा मैं यही कंसीलर यूज करती हूँ. So I'm applying this on my like inner sides of the eyes and outer sides, and even on my eyelids because my eyelids are really dark. And then I'm applying this on all the other parts of my face. Those are like really pigmented or really dark. So then what I'll actually do is I'll leave it ऐसे ही, ताकि ये हल्का सा ऐसे सेट हो जाए darker areas पे, and इतने में I'll apply the foundation. So I use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I guess you can see, and it is in the shade 230 Natural Buff. I'll put the dots all over my face, and उसके बाद I'll blend it all. I know I look horrible right now, but like hold on, the result will be much better. Like trust me. Like not to forget the neck. So I'll put the dots on the neck as well. Actually अभी ring light की वजह से my neck is looking way too darker. So उसके बाद I'll blend it all, and for blending I'm using this beauty blender. You can even blend it with a brush or so, but I personally like using beauty blender. And make sure it's damp, because अगर damp नहीं होगा तो it will soak all the product and it will leave those patches on your skin. So I'll blend everything in. I'm looking there again and again because I have my mirror lying there, so I'm sorry for that. So you need not to like swipe all the product. You need to just dab, dab, dab and keep on blending until your base looks flawless. So that's what I'm doing right now. My neck still looks a little darker in the camera, but like trust me, in person it looks perfect. And then I'll take this concealer. This is by Swiss Beauty, and trust me, these concealers are so affordable and of such a good quality. I use only a very small amount of it just to highlight certain parts of my face. So I put very small amount of it on my forehead and then on the bridge of my nose and then here. And then again we'll blend. So as I told you, I have very dry skin, so I cannot like put a lot of powder on my face because it leaves my skin very dry and I get those like dry patches on my skin. So that's why I take only a very little amount of powder on a small flat brush and just set my concealer. And इसके बाद I'll just apply some blush, and I'm using this brush for it, and I'm using this palette by Mars. And I'll put the blush on my cheekbone and not like on the apple of my cheeks. I may look like a tomato at this point, but like trust me, it will definitely get better at the end. And now for the eyes, I have like actually zoomed you in. So सबसे पहले I have this palette by Swiss Beauty. It is Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette. इसमें बहुत सारे कलर के पैलेट आते हैं, लाइक 5 to 6 शेड्स आते हैं, और ये वाला है शायद 05 और 06 है, लाइक आई डोंट रिमेम्बर प्रॉपर्ली बट आई विल पुट इट ऑन द स्क्रीन. सो दिस पैलेट्स आर सो चीप, लाइक लिटरली आई बॉट देम फॉर जस्ट ₹200 or 220 समथिंग. देयर कलर पे ऑफ एंड एवरीथिंग इज so beautiful. So if you're a beginner and you don't want to invest too much, you can definitely buy these. मेरे पास न्यूट्रल में ये पैलेट है. दिस पैलेट इज बाय एल्फ कॉस्मेटिक्स. So सबसे पहले I'll take a mixture of this brown and orange color and just tap and remove the extra product on the brush. So सबसे पहले I'll apply this just on the crease. अभी मैं इसको कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर रही हूँ अपनी क्रीज पे, लेकिन इसको अच्छे से ऊपर ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ पूरा. And I'll do this on my other eye as well. And then I'll take a comparatively darker color and just concentrate the product on my crease. So I just take my time doing my eyes, do it very slowly, and I make sure that every color and everything is well blended so that it looks flawless. और उसके बाद I have this liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty. These are so beautiful and so affordable. So I'll take this and I'll just apply it on my lid. So this is how my eyes look like. Now I'm taking the shade I use on my like outer crease, like very small amount of it, and I'm putting it on my lower eyelash line. And similarly on the other side. और अभी मुझे हल्का सा ज्यादा ऑरेंजिश लग रहा है, लाइक आई वांट इट टू बी गोल्डन. तो आई टेक अ गोल्डन आई शेडो एंड आई जस्ट लाइक टोन डाउन दिस ऑरेंज ग्लिटर हल्का सा. Perfect. इसके बाद आई जस्ट वॉन्ट लाइक आउटर पार्ट्स ऑफ माई आईलिड टू बी अ लिटिल डार्कर टू गिव दैट लाइक ऐसे थोड़ा सा साइड से स्मोकी इफेक्ट. And now I'll come to highlighter. I have this cult favorite highlighter by Maybelline Master Chrome. Like it glides on your skin so beautifully. I mean, this is my all-time favorite highlighter. Also, do let me know in the comments below if you want me to make a video for such very affordable and very high quality product recommendations. I'll definitely make it for you guys. So yes, now getting back to the highlighter. I usually apply highlighter only with my finger. So I'll just take a small amount of it and put it on this cheekbone. And I'll just blend it a little. I'll also apply it on the bridge of my nose and the tip and the chin. And then the cupid bow. And I'll also highlight the inner corner of my eyes. And then for the lips, I'm using this lipstick by Revlon. It's my favorite color. So now this lipstick on its own looks very dark, so I love a combo. I use this Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Barely Nude. So I always use this lipstick to tone down my other lipsticks, especially this one. So this particular color that I get mixing these two lipsticks is definitely my favorite. And now I'm only left with mascara. I use this mascara by L'Oreal Paris. It's their Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara and it is so beautiful. It makes your eyelashes look so longer. I'll just apply it now and you will definitely be able to tell the difference. So let's go. Oh damn, did you see that? The difference, oh my god. So with that I'm done with this makeup. I'll just come back with my earrings and my dupatta on to show you the final. So that's my final look.